In today's video, we'll show you 5 top apps for making money with your phone, as well as how total newbies may earn anywhere from $100 to $5,000 per month with no prior experience. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. When I initially started earning money online, I thought I needed a lot of stuff, like this crazy new laptop, this crazy new camera, and I thought I needed all the crazy newest gadgets to make money online, but in reality, having all of those things would take away from my creativity. In fact, even if all you have is your phone, you can still make a lot of money, and many individuals who, for example, watch these videos make anything from $100 a day to $5,000 a month. So what exactly are these apps and how do they make money? Well, the first app is actually downloading Rakuten. Now, Rakuten's pretty interesting because you can download it on your phone, and whenever you go through certain stores or you buy things you're already buying, you get cashback and get paid when you go ahead and shop. Now, when you, for example, add this with other apps on your phone, you can potentially spend other people's money, so you spend no money of your own, so it's virtually free, but you still get paid when other people spend their money, if that makes sense. Imagine if you get paid, for example, $5 every single time you get somebody else to spend $100. What if you get a bunch of people to spend, I don't know, like $1,000? That's free $50 right there. And I know that sounds insane, I know that sounds weird, but I accidentally stumbled upon this back when I was like a broke college student, struggling to just make enough money to even go out with friends. It was around that time in college when I figured out this Rakuten hack on my phone, where essentially I was like, okay, well, I could essentially get cash back, but what if I sold a product and the thing that I was actually buying was a product that I was selling? This brings us to the second app, which is the eBay app. Back in college, what I would do is I would really just post things on the eBay app, products that I did not even own, that I did not even have to buy until after I've already made the sale. So you can see exactly how these apps start playing on your phone. You can see that there's a lot of these bunk beds that are selling right now, and you can see this one, many have been sold, and it's going for $361, right? Which brings us to the third app, which is where I'm getting these products. Check this out, Walmart. So on Walmart, you have the exact same bunk bed. You can see the same picture right here and the exact same picture right here. It's the exact same picture, except one is $249 and the other one is $361. So back in the day when I got to my first $100 a day profit, I would just go and take pictures from other apps from other stores like Amazon app, Walmart app, or the Wayfair app, and I would screenshot the picture, save it, and just upload it on eBay, and then when I actually made a sale, $361 would go directly into my PayPal account. I would have the money and I would have the customer shipping details, and I would just go over to, for example, Walmart, and then just buy it with the customer's money and ship it to the customer with the customer shipping details. A lot of people are like, what about returns? Like, how do you return a bunk bed? Well, all I would have to do is just go to Walmart, ask for a return label, and just for that return label to eBay, and as you can see, I know it sounds crazy, but as you can see, all these people are making it happen. If you scroll down to all of these things on your eBay app, a lot of people are selling the exact same bunk bed and making a lot of money just copying and pasting pictures on Walmart all the way over to eBay. Now, you're probably wondering, where does Rakuten come into play? Well, Rakuten comes into play because if you go ahead and shop through the Rakuten app and go through Walmart, you can get up to 6% cash back for every single time you spend money on Walmart. But you're probably thinking, I don't have money to spend. Well, you're not spending your own money. You're spending the money of your clients, and you can do this again and again. I got to the point where I was spending $1,000 a day of my customers' money back when I was 19 years old, and that $1,000 I was spending was going through sites like Rakuten and TopCashback.com, and getting free cashbacks and free money because I was already spending the money, if that makes sense. These 3 apps alone can transform your life. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, the 4th app that you can download is like a service app, Fiverr. With Fiverr, you can sell gigs or services. All you really need is your phone, and I'm gonna show you the best gigs to start so you could actually get paid a good side income. So people need other people to do certain jobs online. Where we go ahead and find them is on Fiverr. But these jobs are specific, and if you could just go ahead and get a really good gig in terms of the marketing side, they could pay you really good money even if you just have your phone. For example, if you just type in Facebook video ad, a lot of these video ads are created from people's iPhones. They'll send you the product and ask you to just take a video with it, make some type of user-generated content that regarding somebody using their product, and they pay people like $45, $40 to create video ads with their iPhones. That is just one type of jobs that you can get on Fiverr, but it's not the only site for these types of jobs. The last app we have, Upwork, does similar things. So Upwork is also a freelance site like Fiverr. Now, if all you have is your phone, remember we want to keep things simple, and Upwork is a place where you can just download the app and sign up for free. There are a lot of jobs that you can do here, but for this video, let's focus on one thing, which is Amazon product photography. I mean, just look at how much these people get paid. Like, some of these photographers get paid $100 an hour to take pictures of Amazon products. This one is $49 an hour. 100 grand earned product photographer for Amazon, 80 grand earned $100 an hour, and the thing about this is just what works with ads and products and physical products in general, the things that are UGC, so user-generated content, which is just people with their iPhones. Those tend to perform well with e-commerce products, so if you could just have your phone and tap into the e-commerce sector and provide a service to those in the photography or videography industries, that would be ideal. I mean, $100 an hour for something as simple as using your phone correctly is insane, and that's just one example. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.